If you're a non-US resident trying to get approved for a business bank account without an SSN, 73% get rejected in the first week, and here's the 4-step fix that works. Here's the problem. Banks see no SSN and auto-reject you instantly. Get your EIN first from the IRS using Form SS-4 in 2 to 5 business days online. Open a Mercury or Relay account using only your EIN and foreign passport in under 10 minutes. A founder in Brazil forms a Delaware LLC through Bastion Formations for $349. She applies to Chase with just her passport. Within 48 hours the bank emails back saying they need an SSN to proceed. She's stuck because she doesn't have one and can't get one without a visa. This happens to 73% of non-US founders who skip the right sequence. The fix is simple. You need an EIN before you apply, and you need to pick banks that explicitly approve non-residents. Most traditional banks require an SSN or ITIN by default. But 4 online business banks in 2026 will approve you with just an EIN and your passport. Most people fail here. They apply to Wells Fargo or Bank of America thinking a big name is safer. Wrong. Traditional banks require you to show up in person or provide an SSN or ITIN. If you're outside the US and don't have either, you get rejected within 72 hours. The application sits in pending status and then closes. You waste 2 weeks and $0 progress. Do not do this. Skip the big banks entirely and go straight to the 4 online banks that approve non-residents in under 3 days. Step 1 is getting your EIN. This is your company's tax ID number. You file Form SS-4 with the IRS online or by fax. If you have no SSN, check the box that says you're a foreign person. The IRS will mail your EIN confirmation letter to your registered agent address in 2 to 5 business days. Bastion Formations includes a registered agent for $99 per year, and they'll scan and forward that letter to you digitally within 24 hours. Once you have the EIN number, you can move to Step 2. Step 2 is picking the right bank. Mercury, Relay, Brex, and Wise all approve non-US residents in 2026 using only an EIN and a foreign passport. This is important. You do not need an SSN. You do not need an ITIN. You apply online in under 10 minutes. Mercury approves most applications in 1 to 3 business days. Relay approves in 24 to 48 hours. Both give you a US routing number and account number instantly after approval. You can receive payments from Stripe, PayPal, and US clients the same day. Here's the problem. Path A is trying to open an account at Chase or Wells Fargo without an SSN. You drive to a branch or mail documents and wait 14 days. 89% of non-residents get rejected. Path B is using Mercury or Relay with just your EIN and passport online. You apply in 10 minutes and get approved in 48 hours. 91% approval rate for non-residents in 2026. Here's the advanced move that most guides skip. After you get approved at Mercury or Relay, wait 30 days and build a deposit history. Then apply for a second account at Brex or Wise as a backup. Banks see you already have a US business account with transaction history, and your approval odds jump from 68% to 94%. If one bank ever freezes your account for a compliance review, you have a second account live, and you don't lose access to your money. Most non-US founders learn this the hard way after Mercury locks their account for 7 days during a random audit. 2 accounts means you're never stuck. Apply to Mercury first, then Relay 30 days later once you have 5 to 10 transactions on record. When Mercury asks for your business description, copy this exact wording: software consulting and digital services for US and international clients. Do not say online businesses or e-commerce unless that's literally true. Be specific. Mercury's compliance team flags vague descriptions, and that adds 3 to 5 days to your review. Get your EIN from the IIS in 2 to 5 days. Apply to Mercury or Relay with EIN and passport only. Build 30 days of history, then open a second backup account. Bastion Formations will file your LLC and get your EIN in under 3 days. Start now at bastionformations.com. Visit https://bastionformations.com.